Guys, what's up? Hexac Beast here. Today, me and ACFQW9 are back playing some more Gang Beasts. We're gonna be doing fans. So yeah, let's play. There we go. Okay, better be checking once again. Oh my god. No. Woo! Are we both dead? Yeah, we are. I'm not. Love it. No, 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 no. Ah. Are you kidding me? That's not fair. No, stop it. That's what you get, man. Woo! Oh my gosh! I thought I lost a life there. Run! I can't see. All I know is I'm holding on. Oh no. Please turn off fan. Please turn off. There we go. I can't see. No. No. Oh my gosh. Ow, 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 ow. Oh no, I was so close. No. Sorry about that, guys. Something happened. But we're gonna do it again because Tilly will be right back. 1 second. Okay, guys, we're back. We're gonna try this again. I don't know what happened there. If it happens again, then it's just my game being really dumb. Grab on, dude. I don't know. No, go, go, go. Yes. Yes. No. Stop it. No. No. Yes. Yes. I know they do that because it's going the other way afterwards. I got knocked out. Hey, stop it. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Die. No. No. Stop it. Go, go, go. Wake up, buddy. Wake up. Yes. Going over there. Yes, I can. I can see my shadow. Oh, yep, I know. Yeah. Where am I? I got knocked out, probably. Dude, can you please not? Yay! Yay, dead. Haha. You're getting sucked in. Oh, I am too. Look at me. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hold it much longer, buddy. What? How are you not dead? Work out.
Okay.
Dude, you can't stay there forever. Yeah. Brian. No! Why did you hit me over there, dude? You don't do that. You know, guys, I'm so sorry about that. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Okay, guys, we're back and we're gonna do trucks. I am excited for trucks. Green is my color. No, red is Christmas. Is not Christmas colors. It's a Christmas color. Haha. You can't come over here, buddy. You can't come over here. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. I want to look forward. It's slowly going forward. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get down. Get down. No, I meant to get down. I pressed the wrong button. I'm pretending right here. Just laying down. That's what I'm doing. I'm grabbing on. I don't give a crap. I'm not dying. How you got skinned? Just grab. Grab. Oh! You keep getting skinned. You tried to jump over. Oh my gosh. You got ran over. I don't know. I think I'm in the back of the truck or something. Bye. I'm getting a wobbled a bunch. Hello. Stop sign. No, get down. Okay, there you go. There's the back of the truck. And there is you. Ooh! Bye-bye. Have a good time. Oh, geez. I'm gonna not get hit by a truck again. Yay! Hey, what are you doing? Get up! Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! No! Ow! That hurt. It's a chicken. Don't come over here. God! Hey, no, you get off. Stop. Stop it. Yay. I'm not. I'm just along for the ride. You don't. You better get down, buddy. You better get down. Oh my god. Yeah, you can. I can't. Oh, bro. Oh, balls. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Please don't hurt me. Yeah, you are gonna die. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't run over by the truck. Oh my gosh. Die. Hey. No. No. Oh my gosh. That's not fair. It's not fair. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Am I dead? No. Oh my gosh. I want to save myself. No. Don't die, please. Come over. I'm getting squished. Never mind. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That's it. Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh, how? Stop it! No! Oh my gosh, that's so... Tie! It was a tie. Ha ha ha. Ah. Well, thank you guys for watching this episode of Gang Beats. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and go check out my first Gang Beasts, our first Gang Beasts video. This was our second, as you can tell from the title. So go check out the first one if you haven't yet, and subscribe and like the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.